This may look like an ordinary PC, but... And sorry about the noise of my chair, by the way. If you look on the inside, you'll notice something. This doesn't look like a PC. Although it looks like an ordinary desktop, it certainly doesn't function like one. As you can see, and I'm terribly sorry for the quality, I'm recording off an iPad 9th Gen. As you can see, laptop fan, laptop Wi-Fi card, laptop RAM, even laptop CPU cooler, and laptop motherboard. Ooh, but I do have a NVMe SSD Micron 2400 MT, whatever the heck, which is 476.9 gigabytes. And in this configuration, I don't have a battery by the way, but in this configuration, at about 23,900 RPM of the fan, it runs at about 68 to 69 degrees. It usually fluctuates between that, while going at about usually 1024 megavolts, which is about 1.24 volts. Yeah, about that. So, let's see what it's sporting. It's currently sporting a non-changeable, so ball grid array, not socketed, 11th gen Intel i3 1115G4, which is under this boy right here. Yes, I am using a 10 pence coin for a cooler. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and funniest of all, I call it a gaming PC, but it's got Intel UHD graphics. The only bad thing other than all this is that it doesn't currently have any boot. So, you may be wondering, just grab a keyboard and a mouse and get a USB stick. Well, you see, it's not that easy. Hey, I'm a little bored, so... By the way, don't mind my brother. He just lives in the same house as me. Bye-bye. I forgot to record it. Anyway. This dropped all the way from there. That's my brother's room, by the way. So, let's test it. Did it survive the smash against the floor gamer rage test? No. Well, kind of. Saying that, it didn't do too bad. So, let's do the other test. Did it survive that? Once again, sort of. Now for the ultra hard test. Gamer rage time. It didn't survive. Now I gotta walk back upstairs with a broken keyboard. Ooh, oops. But I do also have a bootable USB. I say bootable, it's not bootable. Now, let's take a closer look at this. As I've already shown you, we got the inner parts, but I want to do some explaining. Whew, I'm out of breath. I want to do some explaining about this. I call it the jank top, and with the name jank top or janky desktop, you might be wondering, what's so janky about it? Well, first of all, there's this. Doesn't do bugger all. Neither does this. These don't work since nothing's connected to the I/O port. Sorry about being loud. So yeah, this was the screen cable. Now, with a screen cable, you've got to be very careful. They're incredibly easy to short. I feel like I already did it a few times. Also, some reason this thinks it's 2023. Friday at 0:26, 100 hours. I'm an army cadet, so sorry about that cut off. Yeah, I'm an army cadet, so I do stuff like that. It's now around about 67 degrees, which is strange, considering it's in BIOS. Now, I do want to point out that I don't fully have the thermals covered yet. Like, I'm not too sure. What I could do is, I just got this of the space key. I could just put it in there, like that, sort of. But then there's the whole problem of this shorts out a pin, and this does this. Don't worry, I just slightly unplugged the cable. It's not broken. You guys are still gonna see the junk top. So yeah, whilst I wait for this to turn on, just want to say that the editing is bad and the rest of the video is bad. But if you do somehow enjoy my videos, please, it would really help if you subscribed. Thank you. Now, anyway, back to the video. You can see over here that it's spiking to 73, going up to 74 by looks, and it's on 1022 megavolts, which is actually undervolted. Oh, never mind. But 1022 is undervolted compared to what it usually is. Usually it's on 1024, so it's slightly undervolted. Something really sad is that I don't. Is that a tractor? Nope. Anyway, yeah. I don't have a keyboard or a mouse. But I do have some spare parts I can show you. I lost the I/O cable. Whoops. This, if you're wondering why there's a label on the I/O, I'm pretty sure I/O stands for interface outlet or something like that, by the way. It's to stop it from shorting out on the metal of the case, even though it's like rusted on the inside because it's from China. Yeah. So that's fun. I also, saying that, I also have the trackpad, which refuses to work for some reason. So that seems really pointless, right? This whole thing seems pointless, but it was overheating. Now it chills about that. It should go down. Give me a sec. Whatever. It usually chills like that. It used to go to 90 before and just chill there. So that's lovely. Yeah, my other problem is that if I do put an eGPU here, well, there's going to be a few problems. But, all that being said, if you're like me and you like tinkering, it's quite fun. So, if you want to know the process, basically, sorry about that noise, give me a sec to put my mic. Basically what you do is you just unscrew the bottom panel off your laptop, take out the motherboard, unscrew every itty bitty little bit, plug the fan in and everything first. That was my mistake, plugging all that first because it'd be easier, just not really sensitive components. And then find, this has been held on by one screw, and I know it's disgusting, but it works. Some Baby Bell wax. Baby Bell is a British foods like cheese chain, by the way, designed for kids. Yeah. Anyway, it's on 72. It's going down slowly. But I have nothing else to show you in this video. So, if you did stay till the end, please subscribe since, well, just look at my channel subscribers and it really helps and I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching and